Have you ever wished your regular bicycle could handle hills, long commutes, and tiring rides with way less effort? Electric bike conversion kits are changing the game, giving riders the chance to upgrade the bike they already love instead of buying a completely new electric bike. From affordable daily commuter options to insanely powerful performance builds, these are the 5 best e-bike conversion kits you should check out in 2026. Starting off our list is the YOSE Power e-bike conversion kit, and this one is perfect for riders who want something affordable, practical, and surprisingly enjoyable to use every single day. What makes this kit stand out right away is how complete the package feels. You are not just buying a motor and hoping everything works out. You are getting a full setup that includes an LCD display, pedal assist sensor, brake levers, thumb throttle, and all the essentials needed to transform a regular bicycle into a smooth electric ride. Once installed, the experience changes instantly. Your bike still feels familiar, but now every ride becomes easier and more relaxing. Hills no longer feel exhausting, longer commutes become manageable, and those moments where your legs usually give up halfway through suddenly become much less stressful. The motor assistance feels controlled and natural instead of aggressive, which makes it ideal for beginners stepping into the world of electric bikes for the first time. The 36-volt 350-watt brushless rear hub motor delivers enough power to noticeably improve acceleration and climbing without making the bike feel too heavy or difficult to control. Whether you ride a mountain bike, hybrid, or road bike with larger wheels, the kit supports multiple wheel sizes, making it extremely versatile for different riders and setups. Battery performance is another strong point. Depending on the version you choose, you can enjoy extended rides without constantly worrying about charging. That extra range makes a huge difference for commuting, weekend rides, or simply exploring farther than usual. And for riders concerned about reliability, the waterproof connectors and durable components help the kit handle rain, dust, and rough everyday conditions with confidence. Overall, this is one of the smartest budget-friendly ways to turn a regular bike into something far more enjoyable. Coming in at number 4 is the Bafang MBS02B, one of the most popular mid-drive conversion kits for riders who want stronger performance and a much more dynamic riding experience. This is where things start feeling seriously exciting because instead of simply pushing the wheel like a basic hub motor, this system works directly through your bike's drivetrain. The result feels incredibly natural, almost like your own legs suddenly became much more powerful. Every pedal stroke feels amplified. When you climb hills, accelerate from a stop, or carry extra weight, the motor responds smoothly and efficiently. You still feel connected to the ride, but without the exhaustion that normally comes with difficult terrain or long distances. One of the best things about this kit is flexibility. Riders can choose between several power levels, including 500 watt, 750 watt, and 1000 watt versions depending on how much performance they want. No matter which option you pick, torque delivery feels strong and responsive, especially on steep hills where traditional bikes can become tiring very quickly. The pedal assist system adapts naturally to your riding style, and when you need instant acceleration, the thumb throttle gives you quick access to extra power. It creates a riding experience that feels both sporty and comfortable at the same time. Another reason this kit remains so popular is how complete the overall package feels. The LCD display keeps important information clear and easy to read, while the brake cutoff system instantly stops motor power when braking, adding extra confidence during busy traffic situations or crowded streets. Installation may feel intimidating for first-time users, but many riders successfully complete the process with basic tools and patience. Once finished, there is a huge sense of satisfaction knowing you transformed your own bicycle into a powerful electric machine. For commuters, weekend adventurers, and riders wanting stronger hill climbing performance without replacing their favorite bike, the Bafang MBS02B remains one of the best all-around conversion kits available. At number 3, we have the Tongsheng TSDZ2B, and this kit is all about creating the most natural riding experience possible. While many conversion systems focus heavily on raw power, This one focuses on balance, smoothness, and making the bike feel like an extension of your own body. The biggest reason riders love this system is the torque sensor. Instead of delivering fixed motor assistance, the kit reacts to how hard you pedal. Push lightly and the assistance stays gentle. Pedal harder and the bike responds with more support instantly. That creates a riding feel that is incredibly smooth and intuitive. When climbing hills, the difference becomes obvious immediately. Instead of suddenly being pushed forward by a motor, the bike simply feels stronger beneath you. It still feels like cycling, just without the exhausting struggle that usually comes with steep inclines or long rides. Power options range from smaller setups for lightweight commuting all the way up to more powerful versions capable of handling demanding terrain and heavier loads. Despite the added assistance, the motor remains compact and relatively lightweight, helping preserve the balanced feel of the bicycle. Efficiency is another major advantage. This system is designed to use battery power carefully, meaning riders can often travel longer distances without constantly stressing about battery life. That makes it excellent for commuters, touring riders, and anyone who enjoys extended rides. Installation is fairly straightforward for compatible bikes using standard bottom bracket sizes. Once mounted, the motor blends nicely into the frame instead of making the bike look bulky or oversized. Safety and control also feel excellent because the motor stops assisting as soon as you stop pedaling. In busy traffic or crowded areas, that responsiveness adds confidence and precision to every ride. If you want an electric conversion that still feels deeply connected to traditional cycling, the Tongsheng TSDZ2B is easily one of the most satisfying systems you can ride. It delivers comfort, efficiency, and natural performance in a way very few kits truly manage. Taking the number 2 spot is the Bafang M620, and this is where electric bike performance starts entering an entirely different category. This system is built for riders who need serious strength, durability, and capability far beyond normal commuting. The moment you start riding, you can feel the difference. Whether carrying cargo, climbing rough trails, or handling steep roads, this motor delivers an incredible amount of torque and power without feeling chaotic or difficult to control. It pushes hard, but it does so smoothly and intelligently. What makes the M620 especially impressive is its sensing system. The motor constantly monitors pedaling pressure, riding speed, and overall input, adjusting assistance instantly. Even with extremely strong power output, the bike still feels composed and manageable instead of overwhelming. Hill climbing becomes almost effortless. Heavy loads no longer feel like a burden. Riders using cargo bikes, delivery setups, or adventure-focused builds will immediately appreciate how confidently this system handles demanding conditions. The display is bright, easy to read, and simple to navigate even during fast rides or direct sunlight. Switching between assist levels feels quick and intuitive, allowing riders to move from relaxed cruising to maximum performance in seconds. Another surprisingly impressive detail is how refined the motor sounds. Despite delivering massive power, it stays relatively quiet compared to what many riders expect from such a heavy-duty system. Of course, this added performance does come with extra weight and a more involved installation process. This is not the easiest beginner conversion kit to install, and proper setup matters a lot. But once everything is dialed in correctly, the riding experience becomes incredibly rewarding. For riders carrying cargo, tackling rough terrain, or simply wanting an electric bike setup with serious capability, the Bafang M620 stands out as one of the most powerful and dependable mid-drive systems available in 2026. Finally, we reach the number 1 pick on this list, the QS273 Brushless e-bike kit. And honestly, this system feels less like a simple bicycle upgrade and more like building a lightweight electric machine designed for extreme performance. Everything about this motor screams power. From the first glance, you can tell this is built for riders chasing speed, acceleration, and heavy-duty capability far beyond traditional electric bikes. Twist the throttle, and the response feels immediate, aggressive, and unbelievably strong. This kit is designed for high-performance custom builds, larger wheels, heavy frames, off-road projects, and riders who want serious acceleration without compromise. The motor can handle extremely high power levels and massive torque output, giving it the strength to push demanding setups that weaker systems simply cannot manage. What makes the experience even more impressive is how controlled the power delivery feels when paired with the right controller. Gentle throttle input remains smooth and manageable, while harder acceleration unleashes incredible force almost instantly. That balance between refinement and raw power is what makes the QS273 feel truly special. Durability is another major reason this motor takes the top spot. The heavy-duty construction is designed to withstand heat, stress, long rides, and demanding riding styles without constantly worrying about reliability. Riders building powerful electric motorcycles, trikes, cargo machines, or custom projects often choose this system because it is designed to survive serious abuse. Now, this is definitely not the simplest conversion kit for beginners. Installation requires proper planning, correct component matching, and technical understanding to get the best results safely. This is a full project build rather than a quick afternoon upgrade. But once everything comes together, the riding experience becomes something completely different from a normal electric bike. Acceleration feels intense, hills become almost irrelevant, and long distances feel far less intimidating. That combination of extreme capability, durability, and thrilling performance is exactly why the QS273 earns the #1 position on this list. So, those were the 5 best e-bike conversion kits you can buy in 2026, from beginner-friendly commuter upgrades all the way to extreme high-performance builds. Every kit on this list offers something unique depending on your riding style and budget. If one caught your attention, let us know in the comments, and do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more awesome tech and mobility content.